Hi, and welcome to On Tuesdays We Train. My name is Taylor Monaco with PM & Associates. I'm an outside sales representative located in Kansas City. And today we're talking about Chronomite Tankless water heaters by Morse Group International. Chronomite Tankless water heaters is a low-cost opportunity for energy savings that produces a return on utility, maintenance, and material costs. They require only a cold water inlet line and electrical hookups. No need for costly piping, valving, or other fees associated with conventional tankless water heaters. The electrical assembly houses a series of ingeniously designed coils that instantly heat water as it flows through the vessel. A unique power switch automatically applies electrical current to the coils when hot water is requested. The electrical current is not applied when water is not in use. The microprocessor can be preset from the factory to maintain a constant output temperature or adjusted in the field depending on what model you're looking at. With a wide variety of applications ranging from 1.44 kW all the way to 154 kW, there's an application that Chronomite can fit your needs. If you have any questions regarding Chronomite tankless water heaters or any other products that PM & Associates represents, please visit our website at p-massoc.com and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.